Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, chrome stow-in-place roof rack, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 35,000 miles on the odometer, a 7-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, dual zone temperature control, a remote start system, power sliding doors, split folding rear seats, third row seating, a power liftgate, all powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6031.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.